Something is not right with our world today. The heat feels stronger than before. The seas keep rising. Forests are disappearing. Storms are becoming more powerful. And it's all happening right in front of us. But think about this. If the earth could speak, what do you think it would say? Maybe it's not angry. Maybe it's just tired. Tired of being ignored. Tired of giving while we keep taking. So the real question is, are we paying attention? If we already know the problem, why are we still not doing enough? Good day everyone, I am Jesse C. Amolato, a first-year BSEd-SCIENCE student at Bohol Island State University, Kandihay campus. Today, I will help you understand climate change, its causes, effects, and what we can do about it. Climate change refers to long-term changes in Earth's temperature and weather patterns. This includes rising temperatures, stronger storms, and changing rainfall. According to scientific studies such as those from NASA, climate change today is mainly caused by human activities. When we burn fossil fuels, we release gases like carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. These gases trap heat, creating what we call the greenhouse effect. Because of this, Earth's temperature continues to rise. There are several major causes of climate change. First, burning fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas. These are widely used in electricity, transportation, and industries, and they release large amounts of carbon dioxide. Second, deforestation. Trees absorb carbon dioxide, but when they are cut down, carbon is released and the environment loses a natural protection. Third, pollution from factories and vehicles adds more harmful gases into the air. And fourth, excessive consumption such as too much plastic use, energy waste, and overproduction also contributes to environmental damage. All of these factors increase greenhouse gases and intensify global warming. The effects of climate change are already visible today. Global temperature has increased by about 1.1 degrees Celsius. According to the United Nations, even small increases in global temperature can lead to extreme environmental changes and disasters. Because of this, ice caps and glaciers are melting. Sea levels are rising. Stronger typhoons are hitting countries like our own country, the Philippines. Agriculture is affected, leading to food problem. Many people lose their homes and livelihoods. These effects shows that climate change is not just an environmental issue. It is a human crisis. Imagine waking up one day and your home is gone. Not because of war, but because of flood. A child cannot go to school because their community is underwater. A parent cannot provide food because crops no longer grow properly. This is not imagination. This is reality. And the truth is, those who contribute the least to climate change often suffer the most. So why does this problem continue? The answer is simple. Because many people choose convenience over responsibility. Plastic is easy, cars are fast, factories produce more. But every action has a consequences. When we waste energy, throw trash anywhere, and ignore environmental problems, we contribute to the damage of our planet. Now, What can we do? We can shift to renewable energy, like solar and wind, which do not produce harmful gases. We can plant more trees to absorb carbon dioxide.
We can reduce waste by recycling and avoiding too much plastic.
We can save energy by turning off unused appliances. Even small actions matter, because real change does not start with everyone. It starts with one person choosing to act. And that person can be you. So, let's go back to the question. Why are we still not doing enough to stop climate change? Because many of us are waiting for others to take the first step. But change does not begin with waiting. It begins with awareness, responsibility, and action. The earth is not asking us to be perfect. It is asking us to care. So, before it's too late, listen, act, and care. Because the earth is speaking. And this time, we must respond.
If you kill the environment, you kill everything.